shit.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Coshocton County in east central Ohio, northwestern Quincy County in east central Ohio, Muskingum County in east central Ohio, southwestern Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Daylight Time. National Weather Property. With a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 19 miles northwest of Walhanding, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include, but are not limited to, Walhanding, Zanesville, West Lafayette, Warsaw, Plainfield, Itzago, Norwich, Newcomerstown, New Guilford, New Concord, Nellie, Leyland. This will impact the following highways: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 144 and 176. Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 47 and 63. In addition to large hail and damaging wind, continuous cloud to ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Windows immediately. Hear thunder. You are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report hail, strong winds or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Tuscarawas County, Ohio.
Yes.
A weather message.